Hi everyone, this is module number 240 for the subject of SHRM. And in this module, we will continue about the Alphas et al. Models of change. And the particular focus is on the content of change. I hope you people remember that in the last two modules, first we talked about what is the Alphas et al.'s model of change and how they developed that model. That was as a result of public sector organization, a study in the public sector organization. And in their as a result of their study, they found the process of change, and they suggested that that process should be adopted for implementing any change successfully. Now, the second area was the content. That is the area in the organization that need to be addressed or that need to be considered for change. So the first thing first, that is the culture change. And I hope you people remember that I have talked about it in the very beginning of this chapter, that cultural change is the most complex change, and cultural change is the most difficult change in the organization. Um, when we talk about the cultural change, I hope you people understand by now what we mean by organizational culture. So, culture is the shared beliefs of people about an organization. Shared beliefs about what? Shared beliefs about how things work here in this organization. For example, how people get promoted in this organization. How? Is it based? Is this procedure is based on performance or customer reviews or creativity? Whatsoever is that. The thing is that what are the shared beliefs of the people? How things work in this organization? Coming late is important, or coming in time is important, or coming in time is not important. Accomplishing task in due time is important or not important. uh, the top management trust in people, or the top management does not trust in people. So these are the people beliefs about the management and about the organization and about the employer. And similarly, they have some beliefs and assumptions about their supervisors, that whether the supervisors are the agents of the organization or they are just like us, employees in the organization. So these beliefs develops a particular culture in the organization. Is it important to take initiatives? It is important to share the knowledge with other, or it is important to hold the knowledge, or knowledge holding concept, when you believe that giving knowledge to the other people means giving power to the other people. So the content of change is important, and culture is most dominant or most important thing in an organization, because whatsoever an organization is, it is as a result of its culture. The culture of National Bank of Pakistan is different from Standard Chartered Bank of Pakistan. So what differentiates the two organizations? It is the culture of it is the culture of the two organizations. What else? Because their products are very standardized. Same thing, checkbook, depositing money and withdrawing money, credit and debit. Same loan structure, because it is governed by the Kybor rate by the State Bank of Pakistan. Same dollar rate. So the same services almost you get in every bank. Now, why one bank is having a satisfied customers while others are not? So if you see that, it is the culture of the organization. One university, another university, one school, another school. One institution and another institution. So what is the difference? Difference lies in the culture of the organization. So the second thing in the content is the recruitment. That is the very important area, because to whom you will recruit, they will at the end have a significant impact on the culture of the organization, about the jobs in the organization. And recruitment is, I hope you people remember that, attracting the talented people towards the organization. Next is performance management area. It's a very big area, performance management. And I talked about in the past that performance management is not only evaluating the performance but providing the conducive culture of the or conducive environment where employees can perform. For example, giving training to employees, giving feedback to employees. So you might want to change the performance management system in the organization. So that would be considered as a content of the organization change. So HR development, that is human resource development, through training and development and learning, this might be an area which need to be addressed if you are planning for a transformational change or a big change. Reward management, how critical it is for employees. You may understand that employees work in an organization to receive some economic and social benefits. If they are not rewarded for their hard work or for their investment, so you might want to change the reward management system or reward management programs. You might want to introduce some incentives, or you might want to withdraw the provident fund from the organization, or the procedure of withdrawing the provident fund in the organization. So this is another area or content that need to be focused. And the management of employment relations. As I said in the past, that employment relation is one of the key area for the effective employee and employer relations. So downsizing, if necessary, but if the downsizing is required, if you have to let some people go from the organization, then it should be managed in a very legal way. Thanks.